finals. And then, ilalagay ko rin sa LMS natin yung mga lessons ng finance, okay? Ilalagay ko na lahat para for sure, And then, yun nga, ulitin ko, kung hanggang saan lang tayo, yun lang yung sasagutan nyo sa LMS. Kaya, kung gusto nyo mag-advance na mag-sagot agad kayo dun sa ibibigay ko mamayang, or i-upload ko mamayang lessons, okay lang. Then, isend din na lang yung mga kailangang send na na-discuss natin with all throughout the finals. Ayun. So, our lesson for today is all about the elimination method, systems of linear equation. Tapos, there are 3 types of solving systems of linear equation. Number 1 is elimination method. Number 2 is substitution method. And then the last is the graphical method. So, then tayo, 49. Hey, by the way, before we start our lesson, please open your cameras para makapag-attendance tayo.
Sir,
Yes.
para pa pag wala pong cam.
Paano pag walang camera? Hindi, wala tayong magagawa.
Buksan ko na lang po, sir.
Oo. Nakit na ang ulo ni Miss Elaine.
Hindi po.
Hindi ba? Siguro next week, magkakaroon tayo ng parang small quiz lang about sa i-discuss natin ngayong week. Okay? Synchronous sa synchronous. Magkakaroon tayo ng quiz next week. Madali lang naman. Bali, yung tatlo. Elimination, substitution, saka graphical method ng systems of linear equation. Okay, so let's start. Ay, teka, open pa lang muna yung camera. Ang daming hindi nakabukas. Parang napapansin ko si Miss Agosto at si Miss Leia ay magkasama. Tama. Okay. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Happy New Year. Isa pa. Wait lang. Please ko lang sa... Wait lang. Pagod. Ano nga ngayon? 25? 21, 25, 2023, 92. Okay, again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Ayan. So, that's it. You may turn off your camera and then I will start the discussion. Okay. Let me present my discussion for today. Do you see my presentation? Nakikita ba?
Opo.
Hello?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, kita. So, our lesson for today is all about, teka lang, let me start at the beginning. Okay, this is the module 3 or the finals. Next is our course code, then title, and then our module title is linear programming. Hindi naman programming to, ano lang to, the title of the course lang, because linear programming is a problem solving method which usually helps in decision making about optimizing existing resources. So that's about solving na tayo. Module outcomes. As for the outcome of this module, you are expected to write a simple research. Hindi naman siguro. Focus on the application of logic in this world. Siguro mag-solve lang tayo na mag-solve. Kasi tingin ko hindi tayo abot sa ganyang punto. Kasi yun na nga, sabi ko kanina, nakain yung oras ng health break yung ating discussions in synchronous. So, ayan. Our first lesson is all about the systems of linear equation and inequalities. So our lesson objectives, dito nasa basahin yung introduction. Lesson objectives are, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to, number 1, solve system linear equation using elimination. Next is substitution method, and then the last is the linear equation using the graphical method. Okay? And then inequalities, siguro sa next meeting. So for the discussion, we all know that the linear equation is an algebraic. What do you mean by algebraic? It is composed of variables and coefficients. So if you have some mathematical sentence with with variables and coefficients, that's what we call algebraic equation or inequality, whose each term has an exponent of 1. So the highest exponent here in linear equation, kaya nga siya tinawag na linear, it is because the highest exponent in the certain mathematical sentence is only 1. For example, 2x plus 2x plus y is equal to 3. So yung variable ni x saka ni variable ni y is having the exponent of only 1. Kapag yung exponent nitong x or nung y ay naging 2 or simply x raised to the 2 or y raised to the 2, it will become quadratic equation. Okay? Pero linear tayo, so it means the exponent of the variable must be equal to 1. Okay? So the graph of linear equation is always a straight line. Yun. Do not forget that if we have the linear equation, kapag ginraph natin sila, we can form a straight line if we have to graph those certain points or certain ordered pairs. So next is a system of linear equations is a set of 2 or more linear equations. Pero sa ngayon, ang gagawin lang natin is set of 2 lang muna. Kasi kapag nag-set of 3 or 4 tayo, gagamit tayo ng a higher math, which is the Gaussian elimination, mga ganun. Higher math na siya. Sabagay, nasa college naman. Pero tinuturo siya sa major in mathematics. Ayun. So, gagamit lang tayo sa linear systems of linear equation ng 2 sets of linear equations lang. Like this na nakalagay sa baba. Okay? Solving this system means finding the common point or the intersection of the graph. Okay? So if we are going to find the value of x and y, if we have the values of x and y, therefore if we have to graph it, we can see that this is a straight line kapag nasa Cartesian coordinate plane siya. Kapag na-graph na natin siya, makaka-form tayo ng straight line. So I will continue. A system of 2 linear equation in the 2 variables x and y can be written as. So the first equation must be here. A sub 1 x plus b sub 1 y is equal to c. May I have some question? What is the general formula in linear equation? Tatanong lang ako. What is our general formula in linear equation? General formula, sino nakakatanda? General formula ng ating linear equation. Yes, Yuri.
Nasend na po ni Mark, ax plus by plus c equal 0.
Yes, that is the general form. Okay? Dito sa ating pinapakita kong what do you call this? Dito sa ating linear equation. It is a general form. General form ba siya? Yes or no? I will repeat the question. Here, sa ating two linear equations, naka-general form ba siya? So, okay. So, wala. Si Yuri, ulit.
Sir, tingin ko po no. Kasi po yung c, hindi po siya, hindi po naka-equals po sa 0.
Okay. Yes. So, here, sa ating linear equation, pagdating sa solving subsystem of linear equation, hindi tayo gumagamit ng general form. Okay? Ang ginagamit natin is what kind of form of linear equation? Do not forget that, Yes, Gabriel.
Standard form po.
Yes, standard form. What is the standard form, Mr. Domen?
AX plus BY equals C.
Yes. So, kung makipapansin natin itong dalawa, AX plus BY is equal to C. Pero dun sa general form is AX plus BY, AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Ginagamit lang si general form if meron tayong certain values like quadratic equation. Yun, dun lang tayo gagamit ng general form. Pero kapag tayo ay naka-linear equation lang, ang gagamitin natin is standard form, which is the x plus by is equal to c. Okay? So, pakitandaan yung pag nagkaiba ni general form sa standard form, si general form ay kadalasang ginagamit sa quadratic or sa algebraic expression or equation na mas mataas yung exponent by 2. Mas mataas yung exponent. Kunyari, ang exponent ng isang variable is 2, tapos pataas. Ayun. Doon lang tayo gagamit ng general form. But, sa linear equation, ang ginagamit natin is standard form. Kasi, para mahanap natin yung value or single value ng x tsaka ng y. So, let's proceed again. I will continue. Here, sa ating equation na dalawa, yung dalawang linear equation, mapapansin nyo si a sub 1 saka si b sub 1. Huwag kayo malilito because yung a sub 1, meaning that is in the first. That is a coefficient that is in the first equation. And then, kapag ka a sub 2 saka b sub 2, that is in the second equation. Pero, kung titingnan natin yung ating standard form ng dalawa, tanggalin natin lahat ng sub, yung sub 1 at sub 2. Di ba ang makikita lang natin, ax plus by is equal to c. Yun lang. So, that is the standard form of the linear equation. Okay, next. Where a sub b, a sub 1, b sub 1, c sub 1, a sub 2, b sub 2, and c sub 2 are real numbers. what do you mean by real number? So, lahat. Kung siya ba ay, what do you call this? Kung siya ba ay rational number, integer, so on and so forth. Basta siya ay set of real numbers. The left brace to indicate that the two equations form a system. Okay? I would repeat. The left brace to indicate that the two equation forms a system. Itong brace na to. Ibig sabihin, kaya nilagyan ng brace yan sa may kaliwa, it is because yung dalawang equation na yan is interrelated to each other. Meaning, yung value ni x dyan ay value din ng x dun sa kabila. Ang value ni y dun sa first equation is value din ni y sa second equation. Is that clear? Yun lang yung purpose ni braces. Ibig sabihin, interrelated sila to each other. Okay, huwag kayo malilito bakit
po, sir.
ng brace. Ano? Ulit.
Ulit nga po.
Ulitin ko. The left brace to indicate that the two equation forms a system. Kaya siya may brace dito. Yung brace dito, yung parang parenthesis na malaki. It is because para ma-indicate natin na siya ay isang system. Or, yung value ni x sa equation 1 is value din ni x sa equation 2. Okay? Ganun din sa kabila. Kung anong value ni y sa equation 1, yun din yung value ni y sa equation 2. Therefore, sa equation 1, ito, sa taas, tsaka sa equation 2, ito sa baba, ay interrelated to each other. Okay? Bakit sinabi interrelated to each other? Because makaka-form sila ng straight line kapag ginwrap na sila. Okay? Kasi may value din naman to si may value din si A, may value din si B, si C, para ma-indicate natin yung ordered pair. Then, if an ordered pair x and y is satisfy a system of two linear equation, the corresponding point x and y must be lie on the two lines formed by the graph of the equation. So, teka lang, pakita ko lang, i-illustrate ko lang sa inyo. Nakikita niyo aking screen? Paki-paste na lang dito muna sa aking screen, sa aking Ito, teka lang. So, ko lang to. Stop sharing ko lang. Okay na ba? Kita niyo na ba yung aking screen? Hindi.
Kita po.
Kita
Okay.
po.
So here, for example, if we have 2x plus y is equal to, sabihin natin 4. Then, ang ating, this is, sabihin natin, y din. X plus y, x minus y is equal to -1. Ayan. Hindi ba baliktad sa screen nyo yung sinusulat ko?
Di po, sir.
Okay. So, lalagyan ko siya ng brace. Yan. Ba't ko siya nilagyan ng brace? It's because interrelated nga sila sa kanila. Interrelated sila. Silang dalawa. Kung anong value ni x dito, hindi ng value ni x dito. So, paano siya gagawin? For example, if we have the value of x, example lang to hindi ko pa ginagamit yung substitution, yung elimination, tsaka yung graphical method. For example, ang value ng x natin here is 1. Tapos ang value ni y natin is 2. Hindi nakita. X plus 2, x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to -1. Dilitan ko lang yung sulat ko. 2x plus y is equal to 4. And then x minus y is equal to negative 1. Then our x here, let's assume that the x is equal to, ano sabi ko kanina?
1 po, sir.
1. Tapos yung ating y is
2.
Ayan. Check nyo if it is correct. So, if
Correct po,
ang
sir.
value ng x natin is 1, therefore, substitute the value. So, this will become 2, then times 1, plus yung value ng y natin is 2. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Plus 2 is equal to 4. So, check. Check natin. And then, proceed naman tayo sa y. Sa second equation, which is here. Ayan. So, ang x natin is 1 again. Then, minus, value ni y is 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to simply negative 1. So, check din. Therefore, we conclude that the value of x here is 1 and then the value of y here is 2. At masasabi din natin na kung anong value ni x here sa taas ay value din ng x dito sa baba. Para masatisfy itong mga nasa equation, itong mga nasa right side. Kasi kapag ka namali kahit isa dyan, for example, ginawa ko itong 3, tapos isinubstitute ko yung value, mamamali na or hindi na natin ma-assume na ito yung value ni y kasi magkaiba na sila ng magiging sagot. Okay? Is that clear? Diba, pinapakita ko lang naman yung pinapakita ko lang na interrelated dapat si first equation sa second equation. Okay? Hindi ko pa ipinapakita na yung elimination, kung paano siya solve para makuha yung x and y. Kasi hindi given yung x and y dito. Tayo ang maghahanap. Ang ginawa ko kasi ay nilagay ko na yung value mismo ni x and y. So, send ko ulit yung ating yan. And then, meron tayong graphical method pero mamaya ituturo ko sa inyo. Ito, pinapakita lang kung ano yung mga possibilities na mangyayari sa graphing natin. Mamaya. So, first one is there are possibilities in solving systems of linear equation. Number one is the lines intersect at exactly 1 point. Ito yung first equation and then yung second equation kapag ginrap natin mamaya. And then, next is, there are no points intersection that is parallel. And then, number 3 is the lines intersect at infinitely many points. Or two lines are coinciding. Ibig sabihin na coinciding magkapato. Okay? That is the 3 possibilities kapag ka-ginraph natin. First one is the intersected graph. Next is the parallel. And then the third one is the coinciding lines. And then, when possibly one happens, the equation are said to be consistent or independent. Kapag ka nagkaroon tayo ng values na ganito, automatically, ang ating equation, yung dalawa, that is consistent or independent. The equation is in possibility 2 are said to be inconsistent. In possibility number 2, the equation is said to be independent. Si consistent ay kapag ka intersected yung lines. Kapag ka, sa number 2, that is, sorry, I will repeat. Kapag ka intersected yung lines, that is consistent or independent. Kapag ka parallel lines that is inconsistent. And then, kapag nag-coincide yung ating graph, that is dependent. Meaning, kapag nag-coincide itong dalawa, ang hirap hanapin nung value ng x and y. Kailangan nilang dumepende, kaya nga sinabing dependent, dumepende sa ibibigay ng values ni x and y. For example, meron akong two equations. Substitution method natin, nag-elimination na tayo, tapos nag-graphical method na tayo. Pero, hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung value ni x at ni y. Kaya, kailangan nila ng, meron na agad values ni x and y kapag i-graph na sila. Kasi kapag wala pa, hindi nga natin mahanap yung value ni x at ni y. So, ulitin ko, kapag 1, kapag intersected yung lines, consistent or independent. Kapag ka-parallel, inconsistent. And then kapag ka-coincided yung lines, that is dependent. So one of the method in solving systems of linear equation is the substitution method. This is the one of the easiest way to find the values of x and y in the two linear equations. Okay? Katulad nito. Ayan, meron tayong two equations nito. Itong nasa aking 2x plus y is equal to 4. Then, next is, ayan, example number 1. I will stop present muna para ma-emphasize yung aking sinasabi. X plus y is equal to 3 naman. Then, 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. This is example number 1. Example number 1. Ang gagamitin natin ngayon is substitution method. So, let's define the substitution method first. So, in substitution method, one method for finding the solution set of system of two linear equation in two variables is called substitution method. For any ordered pair in the solution set of equation, the variables in one equation represent the same number of corresponding variables in the equation. Thus, if we replace one of the variables in one of the equations by its equal form, the other equation, we have an equivalent system. Medyo nakakalito yung ating Pero let me show you yung ating example. For example, here, 2x plus y is equal to 3, and then 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. Dito sa ating example number 1, please pakitin yung aking yung aking avatar para makita nyo yung sinosolve ko. Huwag nyo munang, sige, stop presenting ko muna para nga ma-emphasize to. So, tama. Ayan. So here, hahanap tayo dito sa dalawa if kung sino yung pinakamadaling hanapan ng value ni X or ni Y. Okay? Hahanapan natin ng pinakamadaling value ni X or ni Y. So, pag maghahanap tayo nun, hanapin natin yung pinakamaliit na coefficient na katabi. Okay? Here, sa dalawang equation na to, anong variable at anong equation yung may pinakamaliit na coefficient?
Yung first equation po.
First equation, yes.
Yes po. Kasi
Anong variable?
Y.
Y, yes. So, itong Y, ang gagawin natin dyan, kukunin natin tong buong equation na to. Okay? Kukunin natin to. So, tanggalin mo natin tong second equation. Yan. So, that is 2x plus y equal to 3. At ang sabi ko kanina, hanapin yung pinaka maliit na coefficient na katabi ng isang variable. So, that is y. Therefore, ang gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung value ni y, the temporary value of y. So, para makita to, let's have the, what do you call this? The addition property of, addition property of equation or the APE. Pero sa iba, ang ginagawa na lang nila is tinatranspose. Pero ganito kasi ang addition property of equation. Para ma-cancel out itong nasa gilid, ang gagawin natin is 2x. Kung ano yung nasa left side niya, imaminosan natin ng kanyang kabaliktaran. Ang kabaliktaran ni 2x is negative 2x. Then, plus y. Kung ano yung ginawa natin sa kabila, gagawin natin din sa kanan. Dito sa equation sa equation. Then, so that is 3. Nag-minus tayo ng 2x dito. Therefore, magma-minus din tayo ng 2x dito. Ayan. So, that is what we call addition property. Ayan. Addition property of equation or APE. And then, 2x minus 2x, therefore, that's 0. Hindi na natin susulat. And then, what do you call this? Bring down y. Kasi, if we have to subtract 2x to 2x, that is 0. So, equals, then bring down 3 minus 2x. So, kanina, ito siya, 2x plus y is equal to 3. Naging y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Because of APE. Pero, syempre, what is the fastest method? We need to use the simplest method, which is the transpose. Okay? Sa-transpose natin. Hindi tayo gagamit ng APE. Pero ganun pa rin yung sagot. Ang gagawin lang natin is, para makuha yung value ni y, yung temporary value ni y, transpose natin si 2x to the right. Kapag tinranspose natin siya, it will become negative. So that will become so y transpose, burahin natin to kasi tatranspose natin yan, magiging negative. Is it the same? The same ba sila?
Yes.
Yes po.
So gumamit kanina tayo ng APE, pero mas madali si transposition. Okay? Kaya transposition na lang yung gagamitin natin all the time. That is 2x plus y is equal to 3. Then, ito na siya. Tapos, yung second equation natin kanina is yung 5x plus, ano nga yun?
3y.
3y plus 10. Or is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 10. Ayan. Anong gagawin natin sunod? Kasi may value na tayo. Temporary value ni y.
Sir.
Substitute the value of y. Okay? Saan natin sa substitute? Sa second equation or sa first equation?
Second po.
Yes, because, kaya sa second natin ilalagay, it's because yung first equation yung ginamit natin as the temporary value of y. Kapag nagamit na natin siya, kailangan natin siyang gamitin sa second equation para magamit naman ng second equation si first equation. Okay? So, ayan na. So, tanggalin ko na to para hindi na tayo malito. May temporary value na tayo ni y, which is 3 minus 2x. Therefore, gamitin natin to. So, 5x. Labo. This is 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. And then, substitute the value of y. Okay? So, that is 5x plus 3 times, what's the value of y?
3 minus 2x.
3 minus 2x is equal to 10. Okay? Then, tanggalin natin to kasi nasubstitute na natin siya. Next is, syempre, kapag kunin natin yung inner part. So that is, what do you call this? Distribute. Okay, distribute natin yung 3. So, bring down 5x. Bring down 5x plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then 3 times negative 2x. Negative
6x.
6x is equal to 10. Alam ko kaya nyo na to kasi that is in high school lang eh. Pero ngayon, nasa college tayo, siguro medyo madali na to para sa inyo. Pero i-refresh din natin. So next, combine similar terms. What do I mean by combine similar terms? Kapag ka may coefficient sila, or may coefficient, may variable sila, pagtabihin natin. Kapag wala, pagtabihin natin yung wala. Okay? So, that is 5x minus 6x. Then, mag-equate na agad ako. Itatranspose ko na agad si positive 9 into the right. It will become negative 9. So, bring down 10. Then, transpose positive 9. Then, transpose positive 9 to the right. It will become negative. So, that is 10 minus 9. Or, simply, this equation. Meron na tayong 5x minus 6x is equal to 10 minus 9. Next is 5x minus 6x is equal to negative x. Then 10 minus 9 is equal to 10 minus 9. 1. Is it the final answer?
Hindi pa po.
Hindi pa. We need to divide both sides by
Negative
1. Ayun. Simply, the value of x there is, what's the value of x?
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1 po.
Okay. Sige, kopya muna. And then, I will erase. Para makuha natin yung value naman ni y.
Sir, hindi po kita yung baba.
Hindi kita yung baba. Ano lang man siya, dinivide ko siya both sides by negative 1. Ayan. 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 I will erase this na. I-erase ko na to. Pero yung sa taas, di ko muna i-erase. Okay. So here. Meron tayong value ni x, which is the negative 1. Therefore, sabi nga, substitution method. We need to substitute the value of x. So, gagamitin uli natin si equation 2 to find the value of y. Okay? Kasi meron tayong kaninang temporary value of y eh, pero wala pa siyang mismong value or the numerical value. So, that is 5. What's the value of x? That is negative 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. Sir, bakit hindi nyo sinubstitute yung value ni y, yung temporary value ni y? Kasi nagamit na natin siya kanina. And then, meron na tayong nakuhang value ni x na numerical. Therefore, hindi na natin siya kailangan. Okay? Kung meron tayong numerical value ng isang variable, hindi na natin kailangan yung isang temporary value. So, ito na, may value na tayo ni x. Sinubstitute ko kanina. So, let's multiply negative 1 to 5, that is negative 5. Plus 3y is equal to 10. Combine similar terms. So, if I will combine the similar terms, that would be 3y is equal to si 5 tatranspose or negative 5 itatranspose ko to the right, it will become negative 5, it will become
Positive 5.
positive 5. So that is bring down 10 plus 5. Okay? Next, di pa dyan natatapos. Let's have the sum of 10 plus 5, that is 15. So 3y is equal to 15. Is this the final answer?
Hindi pa po.
Di ba po?
No. Because we need to divide both sides by
3.
3 to eliminate the numerical or the coefficient of y. So, cancel out. Ang natira is y. Then, equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to
5.
5. Therefore, our value of y, kita ba? Y is equal to, what's the value of y? 5. Okay. Meron na tayong value ni x which is negative 1, tsaka the value of y which is 5. Let's have the checking. Checking na tayo. Kasi nakuha na natin yung value ng x and y eh. Anong gagamitin natin for checking? Ang gagamitin natin for checking is yung ating equation 1. So, ang ating equation 1 kanina is 2x plus y is equal to 3. Sir, pwede ko bang gamitin yung temporary value of y? Yes, pwede rin kasi same lang naman siya nito. Pero, sa akin is yung kanilang standard form. Okay, naka-standard form para substitute na lang tayo mas madali. Titingnan natin kung check if it is equivalent to 3. Okay? Yung ating equation 1. So, substitute the value of x and y. So, that is 2 times the quantity of value of x which is negative 1 plus y which is 5. Then is equal to 3. Next, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Plus 5 is equal to 3. Negative 2 plus 5.
3.
3. Therefore, we conclude that the value of x which is negative 1 and the value of y which is 5 is true. Okay? Na-check na natin. Ang gagamitin ng pan-checking is ito. Yung ginamit natin kaninang temporary value of y. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay. So, let me check. Tingnan natin sa ating presentation kung sa ba ay what do you call this? Tumutugma. So, let me have this. Ayan. Ayan. Solution. First, solve the one linear equation in terms of x and y based on which easier. O, di ba? Which easier. Ang sa akin naman kanina, hanapin nyo yung pinakang mababang coefficient or pinakamadaling coefficient na hahanapin. Or sorry, pinakamababang coefficient katabi ng variable. Ayan. So, ang kanina, nakita natin is yung y. So, yung pinakamababa. So, agad-agad, nahanap natin yung temporary value of y. And then next, substitute the value of the variable you get from the other equation. Ayun, sinubstitute natin siya kanina. Ito yung nangyari. Then, ito yung nangyari ulit. Kasi sa inner part, dinistribute natin si 3. And then here, nakuha natin si negative x is equal to 1, then we divide both sides by negative 1, it will become x is equal to negative 1. Dito, kanina, ang ginamit ko is yung dito sa ating pagkuha ng value ni y. Ang ginamit ko kanina is yung ito pa rin. Pero pwede rin naman gamitin yung isa. But, for instances kasi, kaya kung ginagamit yung pagkuha ng value ng x and y, it's because yun na yung una mong ginamit for value of x eh. Okay? Kung nakuha mo na yung value ng x, therefore, gamitin mo na rin siya for y. Kasi kung magagamit ka ng magkabilang equation, may instances na baka magkamali ka. May ganun kasi na minsan yun, nagkakamali dun sa another set of what do you call this? Value of other variable. Pero payo ko sa inyo kapag ka gaganito kayo substitution method, kung anong ginamit nyo as the temporary value of y, yun na yun. And then kapag ka nakuha nyo na yung value ng x, kung anong ginamit mong equation sa pagkuha ng value ng x, yun na rin yung gamitin mo para para kuhanin yung value ni y. Ayan. So, ang ating variable there, ay yung ating ordered pair is negative 1, 5. Meaning, the graph of the equation will intersect. What do you mean by intersect? Magkakatagpo sa isang point. Ito yung kanina. Ayan. Kapag nag-intersect siya, therefore, ang ating equations are consistent. Okay? Consistent siya. Ito yung ating checking. Yung chinek natin. Yan. P is equal to 3, 10 is equal to 10. Kapag chinek nyo. Is that clear for for substitution method or isa pa? Another example. For
Isa po para
substitution. Okay, sige. If I have, stop sharing ko muna. Teka lang. Sino ba ako? Ayan. So if I have 3x plus 4y is equal to, teka lang 26. Then this is x minus 2y is equal to ulit 2x negative 8. Ayan. Kita ba yung dalawang equation?
Opo, sir, kita po.
Okay. So here, meron tayong, lagyan natin ng bracket, ng brace, para considered as interrelated to each other. Meron tayong first equation. Equation 1 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 26. And then the second equation is x minus 2y is equal to negative 8. Alin dyan yung equation na may pinakamaliit na coefficient?
Second po.
Yung x, second po.
Second. And then, alin dito? Yung
X po, sir.
Therefore, we need to use that as the temporary value of x. Okay? Okay, so let's bring down x minus 2y is equal to 8. Ayan. And then, Para makuha
Sir,
yung value,
negative po.
yes.
Negative 8 po, sir.
Negative 8, sorry. Thank you. Ayan. Para makuha yung temporary value of x, we need to transpose negative 2y into the left. It will become, to the left, to the right, it will become positive. So that is x is equal to negative 8. Transpose yung negative natin magiging positive. So that is 2y. Our temporary value of x is equal to negative 8 plus 2y. Okay? That is our temporary value of x. Here. Pakitandaan yung mga equations, and then buburahin ko muna for a while. Since meron tayong temporary value of x, we need to substitute the value of x here in the first equation. Okay? So here, 3x, naghanap tayo ng x, ito siya. Substitute the value, which is negative 8 plus 2y is equal to, parenthesis, plus 4y is equal to 26. Next, nailagay na natin siya dun sa x, yung kanyang temporary value. Kaya, I will erase. Next, distribute the 3. So, 3 times negative 8 is equal to negative 24 plus 3 times positive 2y is equal to positive 6y plus 4y is equal to 26. Combine similar terms. If I'm going to combine similar terms, itong 24, wala naman siyang coefficient, wala naman siyang variable, itatranspose ko siya to the right para makatabi niya si 26. So, bring down 6y plus 4y. Kita pa ba? 4y. Burahin ko kaya para mali yung sulat ko. Yun pa rin naman yun. Negative 24 plus 2y, 6y plus 4y equal to 26. Next, transpose yung 24 to the right will become positive. So, bring down 6y plus 4y is equal to 26 plus 24. Ayan na. So, similar terms sa silang dalawa. 6y plus 4y is equal to
10y.
10y. Then, 26 plus 24 is equal to
50.
50. Then, that is not the final answer. If we need to find the final answer, we need to divide both sides by
10.
10 to cancel out the numerical coefficient. And then after that, makakakuha na tayo value ni y. What's the value of y?
5.
5.
Therefore, the value of y there is 5. Okay? Copy, and then we will proceed to the value of x. The main value of x. Kasi kanina temporary value lang kanina eh. Okay. So, tandaan na ba to? Can I erase? 5, 4,
Yes po, sir.
3. Okay. Meron tayong value ni y. Sulat na natin. Yung value ni y here is equal to 5. Then, substitute the value of y. Saan tayo may y? Sa katabi ni 4. So, 3x plus 4 times yung 5, yung value ni y is equal to 26. Next, 4 times 5 is equal to 4 times 5.
20 po, sir.
20.
20 po.
So, bring down natin yung 3x, then 20 equals 26. Combine similar terms. If we need to combine, syempre si 20, wala siyang coefficient, wala siyang variable, we need to transpose it to the right, and it will become negative. So 3x bring down equal to 26. 20, it will become negative, will become negative 20. So that is 3x is equal to 20 minus 26 minus
6
20
po,
is
sir.
6.
6 po, sir.
Divide both side by
3.
3.
X is equals
Therefore,
to 2.
x is equal to 2.
Opo, sir.
Yan. Okay na. Meron na tayong value in x and y. And then for checking, let's use the equation 2. Yung kanina. Yung hinanapan natin ng temporary value of y. So, x. Burahin ko na to, ha. Burahin ko na. Shing. Yan. May value tayo na x and y, eh. So, ang ating ano kanina is x minus 2y is equal to negative 8. Let's check. Value of x there is 2 minus 2 times the quantity of, what's the value of y?
5.
5 po,
5.
sir.
Then 26, negative 8. 2 times 5 is 10. So that is 2 minus or negative 10. It's negative 8. 2 minus 10, that is negative 8. Therefore, that is correct or check. Therefore, our value of x and value of x there is 2 and then the value of y there is 5. Our ordered pair is, syempre, kapag ka maggagawa tayo ng ordered pair, dapat una si x, xy. So that is 2, 5. Not clear for substitution method? Clear na ba?
Ano po, sir?
Okay. Parang hindi tayo abutin na. Aba, may 30 minutes pa. Okay, so next is the elimination method. Okay? Elimination method. Mamaya ko na siya buburahin. Just look at this presentation. Ayan, elimination na tayo. Another approach to solve a system of linear equation is called elimination method. In this elimination, we need to add or subtract a multiple of one equation to another equation with the goal to cancel out, okay? Cancel out or eliminate one variable. Ang goal mo dito is, dapat mai-eliminate mo maalin sa x and y dun sa dalawang equation, okay? Yun yung ating goal para masabing elimination method. Kasi minsan, yung elimination method, ang ginagamit nyo is substitution method. Hindi nyo na nagagamit sa elimination method. Ayun. Kaya, ang ating goal to have the elimination method is to cancel out or eliminate one variable. Then, solve the remaining variable and substitute back the original equation. Ayun, gagamit pa rin tayo substitution method dito. Pero, much easier tingin ko. Kasi ang gagawin lang natin is mag-iisip lang tayo ng, I think, imumultiply or kung wala namang imumultiply, diretso na tayo mag-i-eliminate kapag wala naman silang, kapag meron na silang common. Pero pag wala pang common, kailangan natin munang maghanap ng magiging common nila. Ayun. Ayan, so example number 2, x minus y is equal to 8, and then 2x plus y is equal to 1. Let's have this equations. Can I erase ko na nga to? Itong ating example number 2 sa substitution method. So, susulat ko muna. X minus y is equal to 8, and then 2x plus y is equal to 1. Ayan. Stop sharing muna ako. Focus on the, dun sa aking, equation. Ito, nasa camera. Ayan. So, if we have x minus y is equal to 8, and then 2x plus y is equal to 1. Ang gagamitin natin dyan is always addition. Okay? Ba, kita niyo ba yung addition? Hindi na napakita. Okay, addition. So, tanggalin ko muna itong bracket ha. Kasi, yan. Addition. Malaking addition. Bakit? Ay, first, mamaya ko pala ilalagay addition. Maghanap pala muna tayo ng magkaibang or magkasalungat na variable. Kasi kailangan natin ma-eliminate kahit isa. So, ang nakikita natin dito is yung negative y tsaka yung positive y. Okay? Dapat, pareha sila ng coefficient, which is 1, yung invisible 1 dito. Or sabihin natin, kunyari, may 2 dito, or tas may 2 dito. Dapat parehas sila ng coefficient. Kasi, kapag magkaiba sila ng coefficient, hindi pwede natin eliminate. Hindi natin agad may eliminate. Kailangan pa natin hanapan muna, or kailangan muna natin i-multiply sa 2 to, para masabing magkakaroon to ng 2. Okay? Mamaya, i-explain ko sa other example. Pero, as of now, dito muna tayo sa madaling example. Kasi, dito sa given na to, given na may magkasalungat na y's. Isang positive, isang negative. Therefore, eliminate. Kasi ang gagamitin natin operation that is addition. Okay? Kapag nakakita na agad kayo ng ganito, negative y, tapos yung kabila positive y, eliminate natin. Cancel out. Okay? Cancel out. Tapos, syempre, para saan tong addition na to? Pag-add natin. X plus 2x.
3x.
3x. Bring down the equal sign. Then, 8 plus 1.
9 po.
9. Divide both side by 3 to find the value of x. So, 9 divided by 3 is equal to? Is equal to?
3 po.
3 po.
3 po.
So, meron tayong value ni 3. Yun agad yun. May value agad tayo ni x pala, which is 3. Tapos, kapag hahanapin natin si y, simply substitute the value dun sa first equation. Sir, pwede ba sa second equation? Yes. Maalin? Kasi nahanap na natin yung value ni x eh. So here, so if I have x minus y is equal to, kita ba? Ayun. Equal to 8. Substitute the value of x, which is 3. Now, yan, which is 3. So 3 minus y, labo na ng aking pentel. 3 minus y is equal to 8. Next is, combine similar terms, transpose natin si 3, it will become negative. So negative y is equal to 8 minus 3. Tinranspose ko ito kaya lang yung negative So negative y is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of y there is negative 5 because if I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1, therefore our value of y there is negative 5. Ganun lang kabilis kapag elimination method. If meron na agad tayong nakitang what do you call this? Magkakontra ng sign, kunyari, si x. Negative x yung sa positive x. Eliminate na agad yun. Okay? Dito sa equation natin kanina, in-eliminate na agad natin si negative y tsaka si positive y. Kaya nakakuha agad tayo ng value ni x. Tapos, sinubstitute natin yung value ni x para makakuha ng value ni y. Okay? Is that clear? Tapos, bibigay ako ng other example dun sa magkaiba or wala tayong makikitang common. Or wala tayong nakikitang magka-negate agad. Clear na ba ito agad? Yung elimination method?
Opo.
Okay, so another example. Cancel out ko to. Gamitin natin yung kaninang example ko, which is yung 3x plus, ano yun? 3x ano yun? Plus, wait lang ah. 3x plus, ay hindi, 2x pala, sorry. Gamitin natin tong 2x. Plus y is equal to 3. Tapos, 5x plus 3y is equal to call this 10. Ayan. Maghahanap ako ng magiging common nila. Dito kasi kapag nag-eliminate tayo, hindi pwede kasi hindi naman negative 3y itong nasa baba eh. Or hindi naman to negative y itong hindi naman negative 3y itong nasa taas eh. Or hindi naman negative y itong nasa baba. Kaya ang gagawin natin, maghahanap tayo or gagawa tayo ng paraan para ma-cancel out tong y. Okay? Or yung x. Dito kasi si x, mahirap hanapan because ang gagawin ko pa is, kukuha pa ako ng malaking number which is 10. Kasi, i-multiply ko pa sa 10, sa 5 to, para 5 tapos isa sa 2. Ito kasi, simply, ang gagawin ko lang is, tanggalin ko na itong bracket. Yung first equation, ang gagawin ko, para ma-eliminate agad yung y, is, I will multiply this all into negative 3. Bakit? Bakit ko kailangan i-multiply yung buong equation 1 to negative 3? It is because, let's see,
Yung y
multiply
po.
natin.
Kasi po yung sa y, hindi po sila equal.
Yes, hindi sila equal or hindi sila magkasalungat. Okay? So, multiply natin. So, that is negative 6x minus, because negative 3 times positive y is equal to negative 3y. Equal to negative 3 times positive 3, simply 9. Itong equation 1 natin, i-multiply natin siya. Sir, pwede po ba yun i-multiply? Yes, ganun din yung magiging value niya. Nagdagdag lang tayo ng coefficient. Ganun lang yung mangyayari doon. Pero yung kanyang graph, hindi mababago yon. Same pa rin to, yung graphings nitong dalawa. Ayun. Then,
Pero hindi po ba negative 9?
sorry, oo nga, tama. Oo nga, no? Ayan, negative 9. Thank you, Mr. Simeon. Thank you. Okay, so, next. Kapag ka nakita na natin na, what do you call this? Nag-negate na itong sa y natin, pwedeng x kahit x yan or y, basta magkasalungat sila. For example, kung 5x to, dapat negative 5x to. Siyempre, ang ginamit natin is y kasi mas madali lang hanapan. Kasi ang ginawa ko is multiplyan ko siya nag-multiply ako ng negative 3 para maging negative 3y. So, to find the value of x, maka-cancel out natin yung y. Tama? Cancel natin to. Gagamit tayo ng addition. After that, na na-cancel natin si negative 3y tsaka si positive 3y, let's add these two. So, 5x plus negative 6x is equal to negative x. Then, bring down the equal sign. 10 plus negative 9, or simply 10 minus 9. That is
1.
1. That is not the final answer because we need to divide both sides by negative 1. Therefore, our value of x here is negative 1. Ganun lang kabilis ang elimination method basta marunong kang tumingin or marunong kang humanap ng negation ng variables between the equation 1 and then the equation 2. Okay? So, meron na tayong value ni x. Therefore, gagamitin ko na itong value ni x dito. So, siguro, gamitin natin si equation 2 para hanapin yung value ni y. So, di pa tayo dito sa kabila. Ayan. So, meron tayong value ni x, which is 1. So, if I have 5 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. Then, ang ating value ni x is, mali pa kayo. Yan. Value ni x is negative 1. Plus 3y is equal to 10. Then, that is negative 5 plus 3y is equal to 10. Negative 5 transposed to the right, it will become negative because we need to combine similar terms. Okay, combine similar terms, transpose negative 5 to the right will become positive pala. Sorry, positive 5. So, 3y, bring down 3y is equal to 10 plus 5. Divide both sides. Kailan pala mo nang i-add? 3y is equal to 15. And then, kita pa ba sa screen? Divide both sides by 3, it will become y is equal to 5. Same as yung kaninang value natin ng x and y. Doon sa ating substitution method. Dito, gumamit tayo ng elimination method. Okay? Meron tayong value ni x tsaka ni y, which is negative 1, tapos sa y is positive 5. Is that clear? Sir, may tanong ako, what if lang po, may fraction dun sa elimination, di fraction din yung gagamitin mo. Yung i-multiply mo. Basta, magkakaroon ng negation yung mga variables, kahit isa lang, dun sa dalawa. Sir, paano kung yung dalawa nag-negate? Di ibig sabihin, ano yun? Dependent variable. Wala tayong makukuha ang value ng x and y. Ano mas madali? Substitution or elimination?
Elimination, sir.
Yes. That is the, kumbaga sa pinakamadali. Si graphical method kasi, masyadong komplikado. Masyadong, madali pero pinapahirap niya. Tsaka may, what do you call this? May specific na paggagamitan si graphical method, which is yung mga dependent equations. Yun yung ginagamitan ng graphical method. What's the time now? Baka time na. Okay, may 15 minutes pa tayo. Question so far about the substitution and elimination method.
Sir, ako po.
Yes.
Sir, minsan po ba hindi po applicable na gamitin yung elimination minsan?
Hindi applicable minsan. Kapag nahihirapan ka siguro. Kasi minsan kasi, sige, magbigay ako ng example.
Kasi po meron po 'di ba yung magkakasama yung kunwari substitution tapos so yung sa elimination po tama ba?
Oo. Kasi minsan ganito, kunyari if I have 1/3 x plus 1/4 y is equal to 5. Example lang to Tapos 2x plus y or sabihin natin 5y is equal to 5. Ano gagamitin mo dyan? Elimination or or substitution? Para sa akin, ang gagamitin ko dyan is substitution. Kasi ang pinaka nadadalian ako na hanapan ng value or temporary value is ito. Okay? Pero kapag gagamit ako ng elimination, hahanap ako ng magiging common dito or magiging common dito. Which is, minsan sa mga estudyante, nahihirapan sila. Ano yung magiging common dito sa mga to? Pero na lang kung magaling ka talaga sa math. Madadalian ka talagang hanapan ng common sa kanila para ma-eliminate agad. Syempre, may fraction, may ganyan. Kaya, simply, siguro, pwede naman gamitin sa elimination pero may hirapan ka lang. Para sa akin, substitution para sa most of all or most of the equations na ginagamit para maging specific yung answer mo, para maging systematic yung answer mo. Ayun.
Saka po sir, dagdag ko lang po, yung isa pong technique po sa elimination kung magkaiba, di ba po pwede yung kunwari yung x po, negative 2, 2x, tapos yung isa naman po 5x. Pwede naman po yung i-multiply nyo sila sa sarili nila. Kunwari yung sa 2x, 5 yung ganun po. Para mas madali.
Yun. Para mas madali, kailangan mo munang hanapan ng magiging factor na i-multiply dun sa para ma-cancel out sa elimination. Tama yun.
Okay po.
Pero kung gusto mo maging, sabi mo, paulit-ulit ako, kung gusto mong maging sure sa sagot mo, mag-substitution method ka. Sa elimination kasi, kadalasan, doon nagkakamali yung, sa sobrang dali na, doon ka nagkakamali. Yun ang rule ng math. Kapag nakita mong madali lang to, gumagawa ka ng mali. Parang ganun.
Okay po.
Madali, baka mas malapit ka sa mali. Ayun.
Okay po sir, thank you po.
Okay, so, patay na pala. Any more questions? Yung graphical method, siguro by next meeting na.
Okay po, sir.
Yun. By next meeting, kasi si graphical method, kailangan ko pa ng illustration. I-illustrate ko pa siya. Teka lang, pakita ko lang din sa inyo. Para may, may idea kayo next meeting natin. Tapos, sasabayin natin siya ng inequality. Kasi si inequality, more on graphical din siya.
Sir, pwede po pa send nung module?
Sasend ko siya sa LMS. Hindi. Send ko siya sa LMS. Then, isasend ko siya din siya kay Miss Agosto.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Yan. Tingnan natin yung graphical method. Graphical method. Yan, si graphical method. Ayan. Magsaset tayo ng values ng x and y. Ito ay kadalasang nangyayari sa mga dependent equations. Yung mga hindi natin mahanapan ng value ni x at value ni y. Tayo nagsaset ng value ni x at value ni y. Ay tayo nagsaset ng value ni x. Mga ganun. Or pwede rin tayo magset ng value ni y para mahanap yung x. Masatisfy. Yan. Yun yung graphical method. Tapos, kung saan sila mag-intersect, yun yung ating magiging value ni x saka value ni y. Kaya tuturo ko naman siya next week. Don't worry. Ano lang siya, medyo complicated kasi tayo yung magsiset ng value ni x. Pwede rin tayo mag-set ng value ni y para makuha yung value ni x. Ayan. Inequalities yun, graphing linear equalities. Kasi interrelated si graphical method tsaka si graphing linear si linear inequalities. Ayan, more on graphing yan. Ayan, so I will send this module 3 for finals to Miss Agosto, and then I will send it also to the LMS para double, wala nang magiging dahilan na hindi ako nakakuha ng soft copy. Sharing tayo. Kung wala ng questions, suggestions, recommendations, opinions, wala na? Concerns?
Ano po, sir?
Nga pala, sa exam, wala?
Wala na po.
Kung
May fraction po ba sa exam?
ano na?
Kung mag-exam po, may fraction.
Fraction, titingnan ko kung kakayanin nyo. Isasolve ko rin naman, titingnan ko kung mahihirapan kayo or not. Saka ko siya ilalagay. If kaya, edi ilalagay ko. Pero pag hindi, edi hindi. Ayun.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po.
That's all for today. Thank you and see you next meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po sir.
Thank you po. Thank you po.